So, good morning to all of you coming after a long time. And today I thought I will introduce you to a few books on how to succeed in life. Because modern days, we have all modern techniques. So, these books will introduce you to techniques. Some of them, of course, use old anecdotes. Some of them probably modern techniques of analytical way of doing things and so on. So, let us first take this book by Indian author Shiv Khera. So, this is a very famous book. You can win. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. So that is his motto. And he, with nice small stories, bring out principles and explain them to you, and case studies in his own life. So it becomes easier to follow what he says. The next book, of course, is one of my own favorite book. It's called Pathway to Success by Dale Carnegie. Well, this book is a combination of his earlier two books called Stop Worrying and Start Living, and How to Influence People. Because he has written many more books on that. But he also is very simple, direct, and many case studies. So it helps you a lot to understand his way of presenting also. And of course, basically human principles of developing relationships and how to really succeed by setting your goals correct and so on. And what obstacles can come, how to remove them also, he has clearly discussed. This is another simple book, Success in 30 Days. Probably the cheapest of the whole lot of books I am trying to show you. This book, of course, is written by a group called St. Paul's Society of St. Paul. But very interesting book. Also gives you nice tips on how to go ahead. Gives you, by stories it brings out principles very neatly. That's the main advantage of all these books. And things are simple, direct, straightforward thing, but they systematically arrange it and tell you that this is what one can do to succeed in life. Basically, most of them will say it is the right attitude which is required, and that only will help you to really, everything may be available, but how you use what is available is what will make you succeed in life. Next book, of course, I have is Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Powerful Lessons in Personal Change. Because success means you have to change from your present day of laziness or lack of motivation or whatever, and then change to be motivated, very active, proactive, and so on. So all these books will help you by systematic way how to really develop your abilities. Because he has written many more books on human relationships and so on also. So once you get this book, you can of course find out what other books you would like to read and improve. This is of course a very interesting new book, Akhil Marfatia, and Win for Life. I can, I shall, and I will win. He, of course, is the one who, what is that, made Forbes company, the vacuum cleaner company, very, very successful. And as a marketing man, is his famous way how he succeeded. So that's also a very interesting book. Again, case studies of actual things which has happened. So the principles become very easy for you to understand. And this is also an Indian author's book, Anil Patnagar, 10 Keys to Corporate and Personal Success. So he has briefly given those 10 things first, and then of course goes on explaining each one of them by which you can really apply them in life. So very interesting book. So for the last book I'm trying to show you is this book on the new dynamics of goal setting. A bit costly book, but of course in modern books, they have that new technical words used, flex tactics for a fast changing future. So my intention is to not to give publicity to these books, but to develop in you an awareness that such books are available and they are useful. Just because the books are available, I need not tell you anything about it, is not. But all my talks basically is to motivate you to grow and bring out your full potential. The purpose of education is to bring out the latent potentials in you. So these books also do help. Instead of concentrating only on your subject, if you read some books like this in between, they will definitely motivate you to achieve higher in life. So thank you so much.